olive oil, fresh garlic, lemon juice, water, creamy tahini, a pinch of salt, and chickpeas. You want to add all your ingredients into a food processor or a blender. I like to use 5 or 6 cloves of garlic because that's how I like the flavor. You can adjust the amount of garlic you use to suit your preference. This recipe calls for half a cup of water, but you also want to have a little bit reserved to the side to help thin out the consistency of your hummus if needed. After about 5 minutes, you want to check the consistency of your hummus. Like here, mine's a little bit too thick, so I'm going to put it back in the food processor and add a little bit of water. You only want to add a very small amount at a time so you don't make it too watery and then you have a very thin hummus. Now you can stop here and you have a delicious hummus, or you can take it one step further like I do and add a little kick to it. I love adding jarred crushed peppers for extra flavor and heat. This pairs perfectly with pita bread, cauliflower, carrots, basically anything you want to dip. Just add a spoonful or 2 and give it a good stir and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed making this hummus with me. If you decide to give it a try, make sure to tag me on Instagram at AshleyTMS88. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like to see new recipes in the future.